Hello friend, I hope you have watched my previous tutorial, and in this tutorial we solve a problem which have asked in GATE 2020 and from heat transfer based on concept of unsteady state heat conduction. So to solve this problem with ease, first we understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question, a small metal bed which have radius 0.5 mm and it is initially at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius, and when it is placed in a stream of fluid and temperature of a stream of fluid is 20 degrees Celsius, then attain a temperature of 28 degrees Celsius in 4.35 seconds. The density and specific heat of metal bed are 8500 kg per meter cube and 400 joule per kg Kelvin respectively. And here the metal bed is considered as lump system. Remember this key point. Then we have to find the value of convective heat transfer coefficient, that is H in watt per meter square Kelvin, between the metal bed and the fluid stream. So friend, I hope you have understand this question very well. Now let's go for the solution. Here T naught is initial temperature of metal bed which is 100 degrees Celsius. Radius of metal bed is 0.5 mm and ambient temperature, that is temperature of fluid stream, is 20 degrees Celsius, and T is final temperature of metal bed which is 28 degrees Celsius, and a specific heat of metal bed is 400 joule per kg Kelvin, and time constant is 4.35 seconds. Density of metal bed is 8500 kg per meter cube, and these all value have given in the question. Since the question have already mentioned that the system is lump system, so there is no need to check the value of Biot number. And for lump system, by lump parameter analysis, temperature distribution formula is T minus T ambient divided by T initial minus T ambient is equal to e to the power minus HA divided by rho BC into tau, and here A is area and B is volume. So to make calculation easy, here first we calculate the value of A by B, and in question the radius of metal is 0.5 mm given. So the shape of metal bed will be like spherical, and we know the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So from here A by B is equal to 3 by r and radius is 0.5 mm. So to make it in meter we have multiply it by 10 to the power minus 3, and here we are getting the value of A by B which is 6000 per meter. And now to know the value of H, we put the all known value in this equation, and T is 28 and TA is 20 and T naught is 100, TA is 20 is equal to e to the power minus H. A by B is 6000, rho is 8500, and a specific heat of metal bed is 400, and tau, that is time constant, is 4.35. And after calculating this we are getting 1 by 10 is equal to e to the power minus 0.00767 h. And now I am taking log on both sides, so it become ln of 0.1 is equal to minus 0.00767 h. So h is equal to 2.30258 divided by 0.00767. Now we are getting the value of H, that is convective heat transfer coefficient, which is equal to 299.95 watt per meter square Kelvin. So friend, I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any doubt feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.